You clicked on this video because of the title, The Easiest Way to Make $1 Million. And right now, you are probably expecting me to tell you that there is no easy way, that you have to wake up at 4 a.m., work 18 hours a day, and sacrifice your entire life. But I'm not going to tell you that, because in 2026, working hard is actually the hardest way to get rich. Welcome back to the Billion Codes. Today, we are exposing the ultimate truth about modern wealth. The easiest way to make $1 million isn't by working harder than everyone else. It's by building a machine that works so you don't have to. If you are still trading your time for money, you're playing a losing game. Let me show you the winning one. Society has lied to you. They told you that wealth is directly tied to the amount of physical or mental stress you endure. But let's look at the data. The developer writing thousands of lines of syntax makes a fraction of what the elite architect makes, the one who simply connects AI systems together. Labor is heavily taxed, easily replaced, and limited by time. Leverage, on the other hand, is infinite. The easiest way to $1 million is to completely detach your income from your personal time. You don't need a massive team anymore. You don't need an office. You just need a strong internet connection, a quiet room, and the right AI agents. So what is the blueprint? How do you actually do it? It comes down to 3 pillars of the billion code mindset. Number 1, global arbitrage. Stop selling to your local market. The internet erased borders. You must build digital products, media channels, or automated services that target high-paying international markets like the UK and the US. Number 2, AI delegation. Never do a task a machine can do for a fraction of the cost. From generating voiceovers to writing scripts to editing visuals. You're no longer the worker, you are the director. Number 3, the 30-day sprint. This is the secret nobody wants to accept. Building the system takes exactly 1 month of extreme, uninterrupted focus. You build the automated YouTube channel, the trading algorithm, or the lead generation bot. Once the architecture is built, the execution is automatic. Now, let's define the word easy. The execution of the system is easy. Waking up to automated revenue is easy. But maintaining the psychological resilience to build it, that is where 99% of people fail. When your first channel doesn't get views or your first system breaks, the average mind panics and gives up. They go back to the safety of a 9 to 5. To make this easy, you must first build a bulletproof personality. You cannot let short-term failure dictate your long-term empire. Master your emotions, and you master the market. The easiest way to make $1 million is to stop acting like an employee and start acting like an architect. The tools are completely free. The AI is waiting for your command. The only missing variable is you. If you're ready to start a 30-day sprint and build your digital empire, subscribe to the Billion Codes right now. Hit the bell icon. And if you want the exact blueprints we use to generate automated income, click the link in the description to join our exclusive Telegram channel. Comment architect below if you're officially done with the old way of working. See you in the next one.